widespread in the forests and open woodlands of northern to central South America. And there you go, folks, our show. So we started. A round of applause for our black racing bird, Danny.
Murah to? Alin natin na to?
Hello everyone! Mayong hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Parks Amphitheater. By the way, my name is Alfie and I'll be your host for this show. Now for our next featured birds, they're just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. But as any couples with success in a relationship, there will always be battles. Now let's meet our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, blue and azul. And today they will battle it out and who's the best in the basketball game. So before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let's cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. Okay, now for the girls, let's cheer for azul. Come on girls, say go azul, go azul. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? Are you guys ready? Alright, so players, birds ready, set, go! Come on, let's cheer for birds. Come on, azul on the table. First ball for both birds. Second ball for azul, second ball for blue. Here goes blue. Take it, take it. Alright, azul. Okay, so I think azul and the girls deserves another race.
Loya kaya.
Let's do the ring race.
Ang dol
So the
may
mechanics of this game is that the first bird to drop all the three rings into the bowl, the fastest is the winner. That's a ring race. Okay, so are you guys ready for the second round? Okay, so trainers, birds ready, set, go! Come on guys, let's cheer for Zoom 2 minutes time. We're going to blue lead the way. First ring for blue. Time, but it will never play by the girls, and the winner is azul. Let's give applause for a beautiful pair of blue and gold across blue and azul. Okay, now at this moment, I'll be needing an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Again, I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Anyone who wants to volunteer, just raise your hand. Anyone? Who wants to be the luckiest guest for today? Yes, miss, you. The middle. Yes, you and me. Please come and join us here in front. Please bring a money bill with you. Yes, here we are now. These multiple persons show our parents. That is because parents are highly intelligent, colorful, charismatic, and musically.
Mas light ba? Just too big.
Yes. Anybody do? Okay, miss, before we start, can I have your name first? A round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Debbie. Okay, miss, can I have your money bill? I'll be holding it. Stand right here, miss. Space the table. Yes, extend your left arm like this. Okay, I'll be putting your money between your fingers. Now, miss, do you have any idea what's gonna happen next? No idea? Okay, I'll give you a hint. A crocodile will get the money. Will that be okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Now let's call it. It's a bird showdown now. Let's call it our money bird. Blue. Let's go blue. Yay, it's a bird. Hello, fly. Makes the money. What did you do with the money, blue? Blue flies back on the table and blue wants to. There you go. Donated the money. Let's give a applause for our donor.
And then as a kawatan, I'm having ideas.
For you. Did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is
I approve.
also a wildlife rescue center? Now that you know your money will go a long way. We're very grateful for that. Thank you so much, miss. You can go back to your seat.
Di pagawas ng donation box. Bagis.
Okay, so I want another volunteer. Another volunteer with a 500 peso bill. 500. Miss Debbie, excuse me, miss. Are you okay? Are you sure? You look quite sad about your money. Now, miss, we're actually just kidding. Miss Debbie, please come back here in front and we will return your money. But before that, you will have a photo opportunity with you. Okay, miss? Just come back here in front and please bring a phone with you. Let's have a photo session.
Wala o yung ipalakaw bali. The trauma she felt na nagsunod ang donation.
Ay, nag-guilty din, nag-guilty.
Okay, please stand right next to the Sharon cat. It's okay. Please come here. Just follow Sharon cat's instructions.
Baya bilang ko mag-version ng radyo kasayaw-sayaw sila.
Yes, please take a photo. Please stand.
Dili di host.
Okay, now give us your best pose and smiles. You got this one too. There you go. Okay, thank you so much, Blue. Here's your phone, miss, and here's your money bag. Let's give her applause for volunteer. Once again, our money bird. Okay, guys, now at this point, we would like to show you our 3 different types of parrots here in Cebu Park. We have our Queen Macaw Bandit, our Reflectus Parrot Red, and our Blue and Gold Macaw Goldie. And you guys will have a chance to meet them up close.
Ana, mga lupad
Also,
sila.
you'll know more about these lovely birds. Okay, guys, just a friendly reminder, Cebu traders will roam around with the birds. Please don't try to reach them. Again, don't try to touch the birds. Please sila guys.
Wow.
Yun kaya na lang, pero maakti. Nagbibigay ng pakalitan. You can take photos if you want, but and also please turn off the flash of your gadgets while taking pictures or videos. Again, turn off the flash of your gadgets while taking pictures or videos. Okay, so let's start. On your right, your cat, that's Bandit, and he is a green wing macaw. As you can see, his body is covered in plumage. His wing and tail feathers are colored blue and green. That macaw has a white naked face.
Isuga.
Small red feathers. The sensitive name of green wing macaw is Ara Loroptum.
Wala ka na video.
Hello.
Okay, so green wing macaws are known as the gentle giants of the family. That is because they're the second largest parrot next to the highest end macaw. Okay, so next up there with Jen, that's Goldie, and she is a blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaws is a beautiful shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their bellies and in their wings. Their eyes and beaks are solid black. Blue and gold macaw belongs to the large group of parrots, measuring about 80 centimeters in length, and their sensitive name is Ara Ara Rona. And that will be my name to you guys. I will be So blue and gold macaws are widespread in Bolivia, Peru, Brazil, Paraguay. A very common question about blue and gold macaw. Mga banagkas blue sa Salina, Rio. Okay guys, blue is a space macaw, not a blue and gold macaw, okay? Space macaw are extinct in the wild. So last thing with me here is a Reflectus parrot. Her name is Red. Reflectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. That is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning there are striking visual differences between the male and the female.
Kapag mo gamak Facebook, may Dixon, ay may ikaw, gamay ka
That is because of her bright red-colored feathers. While as of the male, they will appear bright green-colored feathers. Again, guys, red is for the female and green is for the male. And that is only applicable for Reflectus parrot family. Just in case you guys wonder, how would we determine the gender of our macaws? Sa kaming hummingbirds. That's very typical for gender macaws. We need to extract blood from them. And after sila undergo DNA sexing. So, unlike sa Reflectus parrot, by just looking at their feathers, you can know if it's a male or a female bird. So that's how unique these parrots are. So scientific name of Reflectus parrot is Reflectus roratus, and they can most likely live up to 30 years old. While our macaws, Goldie and Bandit, can live up Okay,
Oh my
so
God,
we
yung
did
bird ko
visit
ron, namatay
one
na
or
ako.
two types of parrots here in Cebu Ocean Park. We were breeding macaw banded, our nut is splattered red, and their beautiful macaw golden.
Na,
Now, parrots in particular are known to be somewhat and perceptive. Just like kids, they do best when kept engaged and occupied. Now, who knows this game? It's called the Shape Box Puzzle. Please remember playing this game when you were still kids. Now let's call it. Ben, once again, he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting on the shapes right back in their correspondence. So take note, guys, although the shape box puzzle is a learned behavior, it's not possible with man's intelligence, memory, and perception. Again, guys, parents have very good memories and they can remember even the smallest, slightest of details. So they use this skill in the wild to find food and find shelter. These birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the riverbed. So there you go, intelligent, right? A round of applause for a three-week macaw bandit.
oh my God.
Okay guys, so I have here an object which is a ball that I will write under one of these three silver
Ay, hala, di ate. Wala na yung memory perception.
So where do you want to
Sira.
put this ball?
Ano-ano mo lang
Left,
nila.
right, or in the middle? Again, which side? Left, right, middle? That's again.
Lido.
Okay, let's put it right here. Now let's call it our psychic bird, Goldie. Okay guys, so do you believe that Goldie has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's a yes, let me hear you cheer.
Masaya pa.
You can do it, Goldie. Okay, Goldie, find the hidden object for us, please. Where could be Goldie searching, scanning each cup, using your psychic power? There you go! Found it! And an applause for our psychic bird, Goldie.
Ambot na lang, Mike. Yung sa nila ni
Nakasend siya kay Ekman.
Goldie is cheating. Kinsa tiningon na to. Naningon.
Okay, guys, so who here loves math?
Oh
Who
my.
loves math? Aside sa kids, ang mga adults di ay nagbinobore pa, o pa naglingo-lingo, o pa nag-output.
Ano man?
na, guys.
Ako di ay.
So everybody here knows addition, right? We all know addition.
Ha?
Well, the next part of the program will be most people, baffled, and advanced administrators. Do you think birds can do math? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so before we proceed, I'll be needing two numbers from you guys between 1 to 15. Okay, first number please, 1 to 15. Again? 13. 30. Okay, so second number please, 1 to 15.
50.
17. It's number 17.
Ako tabi lang.
Okay, what's up? Wait for it. Tawag.
Nako na rin. Mabigyo ko.
So we have the equation already. It's 30 plus 17. So we all know the answer, right? We all know the answer. But we must not solve the answer yet. Let us see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation for us. But before that, just let me shuffle the numbers first.
Ah. I-shuffle. Yang kuha ng number na.
Okay, so the numbers has been shuffled. Let's call it our great mathematician, Slow.
Oh.
He is our look at Kamatsu. His scientific name is Kamatsua polosensis. So these birds are endemic in the surrounding archipelago of eastern Indonesia.
Lipay siya.
Snow has a pinkish white colored feathers, and that is why they are also called the salmon breasted cockatoos.
Itong gikupon.
are very loud birds. And they can mimic almost any
Bitaw sa...
basic characteristics of
Yate, Jun.
is they have these feathers on their head. And that is called the crest feathers.
Nakasaon na niya ron.
So, nag-wonder mo guys, mobile siya kung nagpa-picture ganyan dapat sa scenario. Like siya ng bird guys, Nigel is an umbrella cockatoo. Malayan nila guys ang ilang crest at ilang size. Nigel has a white colored crest, while si Snow has a pinkish white colored feathers. Okay, so Tanner Cat.
Gayaw-yaw, pasalan daw may.
Snow, answer this equation. Okay, Snow, solve the equation for us please. It's 30 plus 17. Oh.
Oh.
Piece number 4. Is the first number correct?
Yeah.
Wala lagi mo really sure guys. Ipan-book ka na yung mga calculator guys. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yes, now the second number. Let's go now. It's 30 plus 17. Complete your answer.
Oh.
We answered it correctly. Let's give our applause for great mathematician. No. Sakto answer?
Pre, oy. What if ang number na answer kay duha ka parehang number? Be.
Guys, yan ang ingon-anak ng bright among mga birds diri. So, tiyan na mo ang sekreto nila ha. Ato-ato rin. Mag-module na sila matagabi. Mamaya na sa bright, okay? So, the next birds that we're going to show you, they're very different from our colorful, lovely, intelligent parrots. They are called the birds of prey, also known as raptors. Raptor came from the Latin word rapiere, meaning to seize or take wild horse. And these birds are characterized by their excellent
Suitcase is no.
and they have this keen vision. Also, these birds hunt using their powerful talons and powerful beaks. So around the world there are 446 species of raptors. And here in Cebu,
May pa rin na slow.
species of raptors. We have a rabbit height and a Philippine
Soulmate.
serpent eagle. Now guys, ready your cameras. Let's call it our rabbit height kingdom. Scientifically known as Aliasto indus. They are widespread all over the south.
Oh my God.
They can be found in Bangladesh, Pakistan, and along in China. They are called as redback seagulls in Australia. Also, guys, can be found here in the major islands of the Philippines, and they are locally known as Lawi or Banong in the Visayas region. So there you go. That's it for Rabbit Height Kingdom. Kung medyo familiar na nyo ng mga bird, mana siya ang logo ni Kuya King sa mata sa Lawi. Okay, now the world of birds of prey. Female birds are usually larger than the males. That is because females have a better position, nesting, and rearing. Okay, up next, for our raptors, let's call it our Philippine serpent eagle. Ready?
Oh.
Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Philornis horoscopus. They can easily be distinguished by the other eagle species with their well-defined white spots around their body. They also have a distinctive face, naked, yellow feet. And as you can see, our eagle right here has a heavier, and they have this stronger body. So they tend to prey on larger animals such as rodents, other birds, and snakes. And that is why they are also called the serpent eagle, because in the wild, they feed on snakes and other reptiles. So here's your trivia guys about both the birds of prey. Both Freddy and Kingdom are rescued animals, meaning they were donated by the DENR. Since Cebu Park is a wildlife rescue center for the animals, they have the capacity to rehabilitate rescued birds like Freddy and Kingdom. So there you go, magnificent, right? A round of applause for Philippine serpent. Ready? So if you guys ask me, why don't we release Freddy and Kingdom back into the wild? So sad to say guys that these birds are not able to live in the wild anymore. Since silang wild extinct like pag-hunt silang prey, dahil na siya guys. Since Freddy and Kingdom were victims of illegal wildlife possession. Okay, so up next, presenting our homing pigeons.
No? Oh!
Homing ability, meaning they can go back to their nest and mate. They also have special sense of magnetism, where they can attack layers by cutting layers, perceive direction, altitude, and location. Okay, so
Scripted.
speaks for our homing pigeons.
Scripted! Ay, nabilin!
Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also to those who are in the land and air as well. And we follow the 3 R's. It's to reduce, reuse, and
Recycle!
recycle. That's right. Now let's call in our lovely birds. Once again, they're going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal by following the 3 R's. Helps keep my environment clean and fresh, save the earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. We also have to say, guys, that the animals are struggling their everyday lives right now due to pollution caused by improper waste management. Please, let's all say, one of the greatest creations of God, the gift of Mother Nature. Let me go with this from J. Goodall. Only if we understand, we will care. And only if we care, we will help. And only if we help,
Nalaki siyang wala ka.
shall we all be saved. There you go. See if Bazoo can do it. Even more can we. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Are the animals spectacular? Well, in their own ways, no matter how small they are, we take let's take action, saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let's do our part, saving this wonderful world. Because remember, this is the only home that we've got. I'd like to represent to you the animals and trainers that make
Uy, ito siyang si JJ.
our
He's
DJ
floating. Oh my God, JJ. Uy! Grown and bird. And bird.
Thank you so much for watching, guys, and
Si
goodbye.
JJ, smile. Galupan-lupan.
By the way, guys, for those of you who just came in our